How to add AI chatbot to GoDaddy website. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can add AI chatbot to GoDaddy website. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on GoDaddy, you'd also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is GoDaddy, it is a company that specializes in domain, name, registration, and web hosting services, in which it has grown to become one of the largest domain registrars serving millions of customers globally. And to create an account, you can also click the link in the description, and after you will be directed on this page after signing in, and as you can see, we're currently under the dashboard of my GoDaddy account. So from here, in order to proceed adding an AI chatbot, the first thing that we need to do is simply go to our website section on the left side panel and simply edit the website in here by clicking the edit website button on the right side panel, as you can see in here. Upon clicking this button, you'll automatically be directed on this page right here. Now, as you can see, we have here our website that we can start customizing. But since we're trying to add here an AI chatbot, we're going to need to add another elements, and by doing so, we're going to use other platform which is called jotform.com. So you can simply go to this website called jotform/AI/chatbot, in which it is an online form builder that allows users to create and manage customizable forms for a variety of purposes such as surveys, registrations, applications, payments, and feedback collection. So from here, in order to start creating an account, just click the Let's Start button to proceed in here. And after that, you could also start entering here, describing the agent you want to create. You can choose here either e-commerce by simply clicking on it. It will show you the description of it. Or you could also click, for example, this customer service or customer support as your AI chatbot that you want to add in your GoDaddy website. But still depends on your GoDaddy website, the kind of AI chatbot that you want to create. And since I'm in a fashion industry of my website, I'm going to choose the e-commerce. And to proceed, just click this button below, Create AI Chatbot. And after that, all you need to do is to simply wait for it to load, since it has been creating all the details about your AI chatbot in here. And after that, from here, you can start setting up your AI chatbot by simply filling out the required information, including the greetings in here, where it will show you what it looks like, or the preview on the right side panel. But instead of "Hi, how can I assist you?" I'm going to enter "How can I help you?" Now on the right side panel, it is basically what it looks like, in which when a customer tries to click on it, it will open this kind of message. And below, you can also change the pulsing and also the position of it, which is the AI agent screen position. I'm going to choose the right as a default and click the next button. And after doing so, the next thing that you need to do is to simply choose here the avatar gallery of the AI in here. So as you can see, we have here a variety of options of picture you can choose from, which is all AI. And let's say in this option, I'm going to choose this one. By simply clicking on it, just click the next button below to proceed. And upon doing so, the next thing that you need to do is to simply enter or customize the agent name. So instead of Lily, for example, I'm going to enter here the name, which is Emily. And for the agent role, you could also navigate here, but I'm going to make it default, which is e-commerce assistant, and click the next button, where from here you can start styling our AI chatbot, including the color scheme or the background color of our messages section in here, and even the start color, end color, the chat style, and any other details. You can also navigate here in the voice and the history to see the history of your searches or question. And if you're now done, just click the next button below to proceed. And from here, the next thing that you need to do is simply add here the knowledge base. We can upload here or link a document and even enter a question and answer so that our AI will know how to answer a specific question from a customer in our website. And by clicking the next button, you'll now be able to be directed in here, where you can simply sign in your account on Jotform in order to start adding or simply copying the embed code link of this AI chatbot that will be added in our GoDaddy website. So from here, just simply log in your account or sign up, and after that, just simply scroll down below until you find this embed your site section below here. Then simply click this copy code button, And after copying the code, just simply go back in our GoDaddy website and simply add here the section that we want to add our AI chatbot by clicking the plus button in here, for example, this one. Upon clicking on it, on the right side panel, just simply choose here the embed code or simply search HTML and simply click this one to add it on the right side panel. And after that, all you need to do from here is to simply paste the code that we just copied. By clicking this on the right side panel, just simply first enter the title, for example, AI Assistant. And after that, below custom code, just simply paste it, the code. And if you're not done, you will not be able to see here what our AI chatbot looks like. So we can click done and publish it on the top panel to save the changes. So now as you can see, we've now successfully added AI chatbot to GoDaddy website, in which the purpose of AI chatbot on GoDaddy website is to simply enhance the customer engagement, support, and conversion by providing instant automated assistance to visitor. So overall, that is just basically how you can add AI chatbot to GoDaddy website. Thank you.